I see you again. It's a long time. Can't see you. So now we have very old bike today. So this bike we have a problem with the cassettes and the chains. So we need to change a new one to save some money. But when we change a new chain, it's not working properly with the old cassettes. So the best way is easier and work. You want your bicycle to work properly. We need to change both of them. When you change a tri-drain, we change cassette and new chains, and the bike will work properly and work perfectly with the chain and the cassette. So today we're gonna change cassette and new chain for you guys on the video. Please watch our video to get our sharing. Bye. Change the new chain. We want to save some money, and the chain and the old cassette does not work properly, and the gear number two is not working. So now we have to change a new cassette.
Okay, for to ride, we just lock it number 1 and number 2, the small gear. Now we drop down to sharing with you how it jump.